Is the blow dryer winning the battle? It does not like the blow dryer. Yeah. I'm almost there. I can almost get it. Oh.
Hiccup.
Oh, can you taste it? Get it. I just can't seem to break the forces.
Come here.
Hiccup, come here.
Hiccup, come here.
Come here. Ha! I can't seem to get it. Ah! Break the forces. Oh no! A dog that just won't give up. You can't bite nothing. You can't bite nothing. You ain't getting nothing. Nothing but air. Where are you going, Hiccup?